Hello guys, today we are here at Guaranty RV. We are looking at a used 2018 R-Pod 177. We're going to start up in the front, and this one is going to have a front power jack. Behind that we're going to have a propane tank. It's going to be a 5-gallon propane tank, and then you're going to get one battery. Coming on to the side, you're going to notice it's going to have the Baja wheels, little higher than most, and then up top we're going to have our outside speakers. On the side we're going to have little plug-ins. So if you have a TV or a little grill or anything like that you want to plug in, you're going to have storage underneath that. And then besides that, you're going to have a solar panel kit plug-in, quick and easy. You're going to get a spare tire on the very far back, and on the side you are going to get a little more storage, and then all your city water connections and your cable and all of that. Below that you are going to have a drain, and then on the other side of the wheel you will have your other drain, and then on the slide out on this side you do have an outdoor shower, so that is usually needed. Now going on to the inside of the trailer, your layout, as soon as you walk in, you're going to have a dinette off to the right. You will have storage underneath both sides of the couch. Dinette, you're going to have a small little fridge, a microwave, a 2-stove burner. You will have a little TV as well on this side. Now your bathroom is a little small, but it's definitely doable, and you got a fantastic fan. And then in the far back you do have a bed. Now you do have the full heating system, full AC, everything like that, so you can go to the coast and be set. But if you do have any questions on this used R-Pod, give me a call at 541-954-4683. Thank you.